Imagine waking up every morning, doing just 10 push-ups before brushing your teeth. It's so simple, right? But what if I told you this small habit completely changed the way I felt about fitness, energy, and even myself? Let me share my journey. From those first wobbly push-ups to something much bigger. By the end of this video, you'll know how small changes can create unstoppable momentum in your fitness journey. Every morning, I made it a staple. 10 push-ups before brushing my teeth. It was easy to remember, no excuses, and it took less than 30 seconds. Week 1. Honestly, nothing changed. I wasn't stronger, faster, or leaner. By week 2, something started shifting. My body felt different. My posture improved, my core felt engaged, and my mornings began with a burst of energy. Studies show that morning workouts can increase endorphins and improve mood for the rest of the day. Wouldn't you want to feel like that every day? After 10 days, the push-ups became easier. I realized I could do 11 push-ups, then 13. The habit started snowballing, not just in difficulty, but in impact. Think of it like a tiny stream becoming a rushing river. It's all about consistency. Soon, I didn't want to stop there. I started adding 10 squats, a quick set of sit-ups, and even a minute of jumping in place as if I had a jump rope. Research supports this too. Just a few minutes of bodyweight exercises improve circulation, boost metabolism, and prime your body for the day. One morning, as I was jumping in place, my daughter walks in and hits me with this. "Dad, what kind of dance was the frog best at?" I guessed, "Break dance?" She giggled. "No, Dad, try again." I said, "Tango?" She burst out laughing. "No, it's hip hop." Isn't she amazing? Give her a thumbs up for that one. By week 3, something clicked. I started eating better, not wanting my food choices to undo my progress. I became more mindful of what I put in my body. Lean proteins, veggies, whole grains. Small steps like this keep building momentum. By week 4, I created my own system, the 10-10-10-1 method. 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 10 squats, 1 minute of jump rope or jumping in place. Before I knew it, I was adding just 2 more push-ups or 5 more sit-ups. It wasn't about perfection. It was about progress. Here's the cool part. Science supports what I was feeling. 1. Improve strength. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats engage multiple muscle groups, improving functional strength. 2. Boosted metabolism. Research shows short bursts of exercise increase your metabolic rate, helping burn calories even after your workout. 3. Better mood. Studies confirm that even brief exercise release endorphins, reducing stress and boosting happiness. 4. Increased energy. Physical activity improves blood flow and oxygen delivery, giving you a natural energy boost. 5. Full body engagement. These simple exercises work more than just one part of your body. They activate multiple muscle groups. Push-ups target your chest, shoulder, arms, and core, while squats work your glutes, quad, and hamstrings. Sit-ups focus on your abdominal muscles, and jump rope gets your heart pumping. Altogether, you're working your upper body, lower body, core, and cardiovascular system. It's like hitting the reset button for your whole body every day. Wouldn't you agree? This combination is the secret to efficient, full body strength. Wouldn't you want all of that just a few minutes a day? Why you should start today. So, here's my challenge. Try the 10-10-10-1 method for 1 week. Wake up, commit to just a few minutes and let the snowball effect take over. Small habits lead to big results, and before you know it, you'll be pushing yourself to do more just like I did. Hit like if you're inspired to give this a shot, and subscribe for more tips on creating healthy habits that stick. And tell me in the comments, what's one small change you're starting today? Let's make this a community of growth and progress. See you in the next video. Let's keep building that momentum.